So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic public service. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and answer the question here. It says, the Code of Conduct Bureau was established essentially to A. Reduce corruption in public life, B. Ensure the independence of the public service, C. Enhance probity and accountability in public service, D. Protect the rights of public servants. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, to enhance probity and accountability in public service. And that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. Finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examination. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.